Good morning. I am on my way to my first job of the day. It is Tuesday, June 11th. The job I'm going to is an old, discontinued Weil McLain Series 78 boiler with a dual fuel burner gun. So it does natural gas and it does oil. But he no longer uses the oil, he just uses the gas, and it's carbonized. So I bought a bunch of kits for all of the refractory and insulation, the different gaskets I'll need, made by like an outside company because Weil McLain doesn't make them anymore, as well as 2 Weil McLain parts and a barometric damper. The sight glass on the front of the boiler you can't see through, and on the back of the boiler it blew out, so it started spewing carbon monoxide because the back sight glass blew out.
At the next one,
I recorded it. I don't know if I made the video public or not yet, but I'm gonna clean the boiler, decarbonize it, and see if we can get it burning right. Okay, so I just took the cover panels off the boiler, and I took the hood off, the exhaust hood off. Never done this before, and the homeowner is standing there watching me the entire time, so that's why I didn't really record that. But grabbing the soot back now, and some brushes so that we can start scrubbing it and getting it nice and clean. Here's the boiler. I'm scrubbing our first flue passageway. I've already scrubbed it pretty well, but I'm just kind of going over like a final pass, just to really get it all out. Really, really dirty here. This is a big, big boiler. And we still don't know what caused the carbonization, because again, it's been running in gas and it was cleaned before it was switched over. But not really getting that much more out of here. Pretty clean. So they get worse the further you go back. So I finished the boiler scrubbing portion, at least for the top part. Now I have to disconnect the gas and pull this assembly out of the way, which that's not going to be easy, especially because the bolts here are rusted. But I have to get in there, so we're gonna have to get them off. Okay, so I just took out what I take it is our ignition module, ignition control, and it's very clean, surprisingly. So glad that that looks good. But what else do we got in here? Those electrodes. I wonder if those control ignition for gas too, or if it's just for the oil. I'm thinking it's just for the oil. But regardless, I gotta get that disconnected and these unions here disconnected.
Hey, John. Good, how you doing? I have to be doing my boiler.
Okay, so shortly I'm gonna have to actually go into the boiler. So I got a suit on and a mask. I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at. So pulled that burner gun off, rested it on a basket, and I'm gonna pull out that refractory. I pulled out this refractory blanket from the back, cut out a new hole for a sight glass, and I gotta spread on this nasty stuff that's super toxic, apparently. 4 ounces water glass, I don't know, but I gotta spread it all over here, so I'm gonna get that on there, crawl in there, smack this up on the back. Okay, so I got some good coverage on all that stuff, so get this put into place. Okay, so I just cleaned the inside of the burner, made sure all those orifices are nice and clear now. And I pulled apart these damper assemblies on the blower. I also scrubbed at the blower wheel as best as I could. And I'm gonna reassemble the cage on that and put that all back together. New rope gaskets on, new refractories in, top chamber sealed with the rope, gaskets on the ends. I actually have to tighten this up, forgot about that. Making progress. 154. So I'm wrapping everything up right now. We did run the boiler, see what was going on, and we can't get any draft out of the chimney. So he has chimney issue. Whether or not it's just the fact that it's very dirty, I don't know, or it could be due to the fact that maybe the liner's not the right size, because things have been being changed here. You could see that size difference. So they had a larger pipe there. They got rid of it and they put a smaller one when they did the liner. So as of right now, we need to wait on that. Wait on a chimney guy coming in, and he paid for materials in time for today, and we will be back when the chimney issues are addressed by a chimney company. Okay, so I'm on my way home now. Filthy. It was really aggravating.
In half a mile, turn right onto 9th Street.
Almost made the light, but I wasn't gonna risk it. The homeowner was there the whole time. He saw everything that happened. He watches the channel. Cleaned everything out, replaced refractory, replaced gaskets, sight glass on the front and the back of the boiler. But I cleaned the burner, cleaned the fan blades as fast as possible, cleaned the dampers, cleaned the dust off the mesh grates, cleaned the gas orifices.
Go past this light, then at the next one,
The unit
turn
won't
right.
draft, so without proper draft, can't do anything. So chimney's gonna have to be cleaned. Maybe have an issue addressed with it. I don't know anything about chimneys. I'm not a chimney guy. I mean, I know something about them, but it got very, very dirty. So we'll see what happens. I don't know. It's such a big commercial boiler. We deal with mostly residential atmospheric
At the light,
gas
turn right onto 9th
boilers
Street,
or high
then
efficiency
turn right
boilers.
onto Hilton Avenue.
It is what it is. The job's over with for now. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully you enjoyed watching the video. Like the video if you liked it. Comment any advice or criticisms or
At the
feedback.
light, turn right
and
onto Hilton
subscribe.
Avenue.
Thanks for
Then
watching.
turn left.